human rights organizations and human rights defenders what to do in the arrest of former President Duterte. He is also the last person on earth with the credibility to talk about due process and human rights. Wala kang karapatan, Alan Peter, para pangaralan kaming mga tumayo at lumaban para sa mga Pilipino sa ilalim ng rehimen ninyo ni Duterte. Habang kami ay lumaban, walang awan ninyong pinagpapatay ang libo-libong mga Pilipino kasama ng mga sanggol at mga bata. Alan Peter's defense of the EJKs and the drug war is well known. In fact, he should be one of those accused and arrested by the ICC together with Duterte. He enabled, encouraged, and goaded the deadly criminal enterprise that was the summary execution of poor Filipinos in the name